Here's how to make 3 deliciously creamy cocktails. Let's start off with our deliciously creamy Bohemian Sky Juice. Let's make Bohemian Sky Juice. To start off, add ice to a big glass. Then follow that up by adding our 2 parts London Dry Gin. Then, mostly fill your glass with coconut water, making sure to leave a little bit of room for the next ingredient. For our final ingredient, you want to add roughly 2 parts of sweetened condensed milk. With our final ingredient added, you want to thoroughly mix till our mixture is completely smooth. With our drink thoroughly mixed, here you have it. Bohemian Sky Juice. Enjoy! Wasn't that delicious? Now let's move to the classic Grasshopper. Let's make the minty Grasshopper. As always, let's start by gathering our ingredients. Start off with 1 part creme de menthe and set it aside. For our second ingredient, you want equal parts white creme de cacao as you have with the creme de menthe. For our final ingredient, you want to repeat the process you did with the other 2, roughly 1 part of cream to equal part creme de cacao and creme de menthe. Now let's get assembling our ingredients. Start off by adding ice to a shaker, then follow up by adding our 3 ingredients, the creme de menthe, the creme de cacao, and the cream. Then cover your shaker and then begin to shake till the drink is thoroughly mixed. Finally, you'll want to strain your mixture into a cocktail glass. Then garnish with some mint leaves, and there you have it, the deliciously minty Grasshopper cocktail. Enjoy! Now we'll move on to my own recipe, a whiskey coconut chocolate milkshake. Let's make a chocolate coconut whiskey milkshake. Let's get our ingredients ready, shall we? Start off by pouring out 60 ml of coconut rum. Then pour yourself 45 ml of whiskey and set them both aside. Now, into your blender add 3 scoops of chocolate ice cream. Add more for a thicker consistency. Follow up the ice cream by pouring out 1.5 cups of milk. Any type of milk is good. Follow up the milk by pouring out 1 to 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Add more for a stronger chocolate flavour. Now to the mixture add a few cubes of ice. Then follow up by adding your whiskey and coconut rum. Finally, cover your mixture and then proceed to blend. Keep blending until the mixture is smooth and thoroughly mixed. Add some chocolate pieces for a chunkier consistency. Now, strain into the milkshake glass of your choice, and then cover with whipped cream and garnish with a little cherry. And here you have it, the whiskey coconut chocolate milkshake. Enjoy! Now you know how to make 3 deliciously creamy cocktails. Hope you enjoyed them.